Good morning, children. So let's start today's class. Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. Back to school. So today is Tuesday, so we are going to learn English. So let's start. Our title of my poem is, so you can say the title of my rhyme is Morning Prayer. Dear God, in my work, in my play, let me not forget to pray. In the morning, in the night, give me strength to do things right. Thank you. So let's do phonics. So we are going to learn phonics. So what you're going to do, you have to do action and sound together with me. So our first phonic sound is S. Which letter you can see? S. S is for sun. The phonic sound of S is you have to pretend to be a snake and waving their hand in an S shape and making a continuous S sound like well done. Next is A. A is for apple. So you have to pretend that ants are crawling up their arms and you have to say ah, 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 ah. Very good. Now next letter is T. T is for tree. So what the phonic sound of T is, you have to turn your head and say t, 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 t. Make a sound. Great. The next letter is I. I is for ice cream. And you have to wiggle their fingers on the end of their nose. And you have to make a whiskers like saying E, 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 igloo. Yes. The next letter is P. P is for pineapple, P is for parrot, whatever. Okay. So the phonic sound of P is you have to pretend that this is your candle and you are going to puff and say, puff, 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 puff. Well done. Next letter is N. N is for nest. So the phonic sound of N is you have to open your arms and make an aeroplane noise and say Great. So like this, you have to practice and make sounds. Now let's do A sound words. Dictation words, you're going to practice these words. So first one is, number one is fan. Fan. Number two, van. Van. Number three, man. Man. Number four, bed. Bad. Number five, sad. Sad. Number six, mad. Mad. Number seven, bag. Bag. Number eight, tag. Number nine, rag. Rag. Number 10, jam. Number 11, dam. Number 12, Pam. Number 13, cat. Number 14, fat. Number 15, hat. Like this, you have to practice the words. Now picture reading. Let's read. A lad has a cat. A lad has a cat. Next, the is a tricky word, so we have to just read it. The cat is fat. The cat is fat. Next, the cat saw a rat. The cat saw a rat. Next, the rat, rat, sat in the hat. The rat sat in the hat. Thank you. Stay safe.